When it came to design consistency, what were your thoughts on it as far as, do you see any, what was your design consistency idea when it came to us doing the concrete?
I didn't care.
Okay, but we didn't have to worry about picking the same color from the different, like from the same lots and then seaming them together. There are no seams.
Well, because we planned to add some color.
Right.
For us, it didn't matter. Now, if we did no color at all, you know, it would have been a dull finish. It would have been really consistent. You can do that. Lots of people do that. They take the dull finish, they put a light sealer on it, and it's done.
But I did not want it to look like I brought my sidewalks into my countertop. Like that was a big, I actually was a little concerned about that when we first started discussing concrete countertops. I thought, well, you mean it's just gonna be like concrete on my countertop? Like the whole thought was weird. But when it came to, we'll actually talk about it as far as the design, what design we chose in the customization. But overall, I mean, would you have been fine if we would have just done no design at all?
I may have been, but I like this a whole lot better. I'm glad we did what we did.
Okay, so for design consistency, there is almost no comparison between what you would get with quartz, what you would get with granite, and then the possibilities of what you can do with concrete. But we're going to talk about that a little bit more with customization.